Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow only admin to send messages in WhatsApp group. So members cannot send message in WhatsApp group. So we are in group chat. On top you see group name, my files. So click on it on group name. So we are in group setting, and then you see group permission. So click on it. So we are in group permission. Now you see members can, you see multiple functionality, and then you see members can send new message. So by default it's enabled. So we are going to disable it, and we are going to block members to send messages in WhatsApp group. So enable this option. Now setting saved. Back to group chat. So we are in group chat, and then you see message. You change this group setting to allow only admin to send messages to this group. Now members cannot message in this group. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.